Asante Samuel is his 8th career interception for a touchdown.
Get another one.
We saw the hit there on Tavares Jackson. He had a pretty good ball back.
Oh. Oh.
What we came on the air talking about, Tavares Jackson.
Oh.
Childress during the week. Don't force.
It's a huge file. I tried it. Ooh, that's a good one. That's it. Last one. Wow. Now bow to the camera and say,
it's okay to
say thank you, Sensei.
Say Sakamura Nagasaki.
Come bow to the camera.
Was thrown behind.